All right, we got this great magnetic neck phone mount right here. This is the most high quality neck phone mount I've ever used. This is going to be great for activities. I mean, obviously you can use it for, you're doing some sort of unboxing video or whatever on your desk, but this is going to be great for activities like running, cycling, stuff like that because it's very high quality. So basically, I'll show you first before I actually I'm going to bring my phone in here in a second, but I'm going to show you how to put it on first. So you're going to wrap this around your neck. You're going to insert this piece right in here and click right in. It clicks right in. From here, you can adjust this area right here. And then once you get that in a good spot, you're going to tighten this vibe right here. And then you can flip this. You can move this around like that. And you can also flip this depending on if you want to do a selfie video or you want to do a video that's facing out. So that's great. Then you've also got this for some added stability. We are going to come in here and we are going to wrap this piece in here and then Velcro it in right here. And then I'm going to stand up and wrap this around me into the other side. And it's going to stabilize it, fully stabilize it. That way, when you're doing any sorts of activities or whatever, this is the perfect. I mean, this thing, it's stable. We're good. So let's do it. All right, and it is on. I'm just gonna go for a little walk in my backyard here. Got that box. We just got something in the mail. I haven't thrown that away yet, but I'm hands-free right now. I'm just walking around, do a little bit of a jog, and it's magnetized right in. So pretty sweet. This thing's awesome. Wow. This is definitely high quality. This is great. This is great. And here we are with it right here. Pretty sweet. Definitely a high quality product, and I highly recommend it to you.